Sociology is the scientific study of society, social relationships, and human behavior within groups. It seeks to understand how people interact with one another, how social institutions function, and how structures of power and inequality shape everyday life. Unlike disciplines that focus primarily on individuals, sociology looks at patterns, how behavior is influenced by social forces such as culture, class, race, gender, religion, and economic systems. Foundational thinker, Emil Durkheim, emphasized the importance of social facts, forces outside the individual that influence behavior, such as laws, morals, and customs. Durkheim studied topics like religion and suicide to show how social integration and shared values maintain social order. His work demonstrated that even deeply personal acts can have social causes. At the same time, Karl Marx focused on economic systems and class struggle. Marx argued that society is divided into classes that compete for resources and power. He believed that capitalism created inequality by allowing a small group to control production while workers provided labor. Though Marx is often associated with political theory, his ideas laid the groundwork for conflict theory in sociology, which examines how power and inequality shape society. Today, sociology covers a vast range of topics. It studies small-scale interactions, such as conversations between friends or dynamics within families, as well as large-scale institutions like governments, corporations, and educational systems. Sociologists examine how norms guide behavior, how roles define expectations, and how institutions organize society. Another central concept is social structure. Social structure refers to the organized patterns of relationships and institutions that make up society. These structures influence opportunities and outcomes. For example, access to education, healthcare, and employment is often shaped by social class or geographic location. Sociologists study how these structures create advantages for some groups and disadvantages for others.